Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to make money online on YouTube. If you've ever wondered how content creators monetize their channels and generate income, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the strategies, it's important to understand the potential of YouTube as a platform. With billions of users and countless hours of video content consumed every day, YouTube offers a massive opportunity for anyone looking to earn money online. One of the most common ways to make money on YouTube is through ad revenue. By enabling monetization on your channel and creating engaging content, you can earn a share of the ad revenue generated by your videos. Another popular method is through sponsored content. Brands often collaborate with YouTubers to promote their products or services, providing an additional source of income. Building a strong brand and audience trust is key to attracting sponsorship opportunities. Creating and selling merchandise can also be a lucrative way to make money on YouTube. From t-shirts and hoodies to custom products related to your channel's niche, merchandise allows you to monetize your brand and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon provide an avenue for fans to support their favorite YouTubers directly. By offering exclusive perks and content to patrons, creators can build a loyal community and receive ongoing financial support. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to earn money on YouTube. By promoting products or services and including affiliate links in your video descriptions, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Lastly, diversifying your income streams is crucial for long-term success. Exploring additional avenues like online courses, speaking engagements, or even writing a book can provide multiple sources of revenue and further establish your expertise.